Okay, and just to prove that these long trains are running around this layout completely, have a look. And we're going to zoom in a minute. Alright, let's follow these around. Bear with me with this tripod because it's a cheap junk one. Train meets. And the cabooses are being transported to a different location. Action through the yard. I gotta get a liquid head for this tripod. It would work so much better. So there they are. Two huge trains running perfectly. Pretty cool. Burlington Northern and Conrail. Good combination. I'm almost out of tape and the batteries are getting weak, so I guess we're gonna call it a night. One more quick pan. We'll catch this BN coming around the corner. This tripod sucks. Junk. And we'll catch it down here. Anyway, thanks for looking. Enjoy the videos.